This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and grabbing essentials now. Install Node or Python, create a virtual environment, and pin versions to avoid drift. Decide whether you need a Cloud TTS API for low maintenance or a local model for offline control. This choice affects latency, cost, and complexity. Once done, store API keys in a secure env file and initialize your repo. Make sure to test a tiny sample synthesis to confirm network and library compatibility before moving on. Now implement the core pipeline. Install the TTS SDK or load your local model weights, then wire the input path. Normalize text and apply basic SSML or prosody tags to improve naturalness. This matters because pronunciation and pauses drastically affect perceived quality. Connect synthesis to an output module, streaming for low latency or file-based for batch jobs, and configure sample rate and codec. Once integrated, run end-to-end tests with varied sentences to measure latency and audio artifacts, and iterate on parameters. Finish by hardening the bot. Add concurrency controls, exponential backoff for API limits, and graceful error handling. Make sure credentials are encrypted and rotate keys regularly. Logging and lightweight metrics will tell you when voice quality drifts. Deploy with sane resource limits and a health endpoint so you can restart on failure. If synthesis sounds wrong, one troubleshooting tip is to compare the raw waveform against a clean sample. That helps isolate whether artifacts are from model, codec, or post-processing, and guides your next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.